Good morning, everybody. Today is Thanksgiving here in the USA, and I'm just here. I started to pick some greens. I'm going to make a green drink. I need superfood today. I'm going to have a long day, but it's not going to be as big as it usually is. But I just wanted to share with you today, it rained. We had a rainstorm. Look at the leaves. And not only that, but just looking at the plants, they're so vibrant and green and standing up. They really enjoyed that rain. It was about a half an inch. It wasn't a heavy downpour. It was a constant rain all night. And then when we got up to beautiful blue skies early this morning. Look at all the birds flying around. So I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful season. Gary's going through and picking some Bermuda grass that has come through here, so that we get rid of. And like I said, I'm just got my turkey in the oven, and it's a great big turkey, and I needed to get some greens because I think I'm going to need it. Didn't get much sleep last night. There's my turkey. Hopefully it's got a ways to go. And the way I make it, so simple. Just wash it. I know you're not supposed to. I wash it, put it in a pot. I cover the whole top with olive oil. And a little water goes in the pan. Salt, pepper, garlic on the top. I put it in the oven at 450 degrees for 30 minutes, uncovered. And then after that, I cover it. Goes back in the oven at between 325 and 350. I think I'm going to lower it because they won't be here for a while. And that's it. And it comes out perfect every time. That simple. And you put the lid back in and put it back in. You like it, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. He hasn't complained yet. So this is the wall growing, and I can't believe when we get through the holiday season, we're going to be thinking about growing in the spring. Look at this. I've even got squash coming up now here. I didn't expect that, not in the fall, but it's trying to make a comeback, and the tomatoes. And so what do you have to say?
We got half an inch of rain, which was...
I already said that. I thought you were going to wish everybody a good holiday season.
Have a good holiday season.
It's not his holiday. He's from Australia. Remember, it's a different holiday. He celebrates it now, though. There's our moringa. But that's it. Just wanted to show. Look, it's all wet. All wet. Mother Nature rained on us. I didn't even know it was going to rain. Gary said he knew. I have not had time to watch the news. Just been doing things. Look at everything sparkles. Look at that. Not from a garden hose, but Mother Nature. I think it's so beautiful. And really, you do see the plants look different after rain. They just look, I guess they're clean because the water's clean. I hope. No, the water's clean from the sky, and everything looks so clean. Look at that. I mean, look, that filled up with water. I leave that out for lizards and different things, that little bowl. So that filled up with water. Look how pretty the rosemary looks. I think usually when I do a garden tour, oh, look at that. I got to see what's down here. But look at this, how green it is. It's kind of usually got a grayish look, all my rosemary. And it's so green. I want to see what's on the wall down here. That might be an orange. Still on the green side, but a squirrel or something dragged it down there and been feasting their Thanksgiving on an orange. It looks like an orange. Without walking down there, I don't know. See, this is full of, those cocktail grapefruits. It might be that. But I'm just amazed walking through how green everything looks. But right now, I have got to go back in, check on my turkey, and I want to pick some nice greens because I am going to make a super green drink for Gary and I because I don't have time to do anything else. Look at that. And that's what I'm going to do. See, the rabbits have been here feasting on their eggplant, and I did leave it for them. Oh, look how they shredded that to pieces. I should take that shredding, throw it somewhere, and it will come up. In a few months, it will come up as beautiful eggplant. But everything is just sparkles. It is so pretty after rain. I have to admit, it is gorgeous after rain. And the plants look so beautiful and green. And we got enough sunlight that even all the solar fountains are working. Look at at that. I don't know. I just wanted to share that with you. I wanted to wish everybody in the U.S., you know, a good Thanksgiving. And in case because I know I was slow this week. I think I only put one thing up. But I've got another bucket I want to make, my solar buckets. The birds love them. And here's another. I think I'll take a purple one for my green drink. I have a new green drink I make. It's not heavy. It's a sparkling green drink. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so beautiful today. All right, well now I'm rambling and I'm wasting everybody's time. So I'm gonna go back, pick a few more greens, don't need a whole lot, and that will give me like a supercharge. And I'll pick some broccoli, sprouting broccoli leaves, and then I'll even pick some, I'm gonna pick one leaf off the purple sprouting broccoli and a few off the regular broccoli. And then I'm going to make myself a green drink. And believe it or not, I know the difference when I've had a green drink or not had a green drink. And I was feeling it this morning. I thought, oh no. Till everybody gets here, and there's even somebody we got to go pick up. Till they get here, I'm not going to be eating right. And eating cookies and stuff is not going to do it if I'm going to do that in between. Look at this. Look at the rainwater. Isn't that beautiful? Everything's wet with good water, nice fresh water. Dinosaur kale. Oh, I definitely want to get some leaves off the dinosaur kale for my drink. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I just really think it's so pretty. I think what I enjoy most, to be honest, is a good rain at night and to get up in the morning and have it so beautiful, clear. And it's, I would say it's about 65 degrees. So we're still, you know, really nice weather, and the birds are coming in because I'm putting the seed out. And then of course they've been really keeping everything so nice and clean. Look at that. They eat all the bugs off and I don't have to do anything. So I think with that, I've talked enough. I want to wish everybody in the U.S. a happy Thanksgiving, and anybody else, because I think Gary's got a cousin in Australia. I think Gareth, I'm pretty sure he celebrates Thanksgiving. I've seen him post turkey dinners. So I'll wish him a happy Thanksgiving, and everybody just have a wonderful day. It doesn't matter if you're celebrating anything. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be getting some more videos up. Oh, the hummingbird just beeped in my ear. Oh, because his feeder's empty, see? And when they do that, they'll fly right into my ear and they'll scream so loud. This one's not empty. Lazy hummingbird. That's probably his feeder. Sometimes they take certain feeders that are theirs, and if their feeder runs out, they'll go in my ear and they'll zip around my head screaming and screaming because they want more food in their feeder. So I'm going to have to do that. Oh, I see the bees are coming out now. Like I said, it's early, but it's just so beautiful and so green and quiet. That's right. The only thing I hear are the planes flying overhead. You don't hear any kids screaming in the canyon playing. You don't hear any leaf blowers from gardeners because they're not working today. It's just so quiet. All I hear are the birds, the occasional plane, and my water fountains. That is what I think I'm enjoying more than anything, because I took a walk and I was trying to think, why is it so different today? That's why, because people aren't working today and they're not quite up yet. And if they are up here, if they're having dinners, they're already starting their turkeys and cooking. And if they're going somewhere, they're going to sleep in and then go later on this afternoon. They have early dinners today. A lot of them start at 2 o'clock for various reasons. Some start at 2 because they eat all day. And some start at 2 because they're going to leave and go to all the different stores for Black Friday. And some of them usually open at 5, but I've heard that a few are now going to open at 2 o'clock. I don't have to do any Black Friday shopping. I actually got what I needed. They had an early Black Friday the other day, and it was basically camera sticks, memory cards, and we got that. And I bought myself a new webcam that might be better than the one I was using that was so old. So we'll see if that's any good. And that will come next week, and I'll try that out. So with that, have a wonderful day no matter where you are. Think about spring. Believe it or not, it's going to be here before you know it. And there's all kinds of ways to start a lot of your plants in the house and be ready to move them out when the weather is nice. Of course, I'm kind of early talking about that because we haven't even gotten into winter. So have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.